What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2013 Volkswagen Jetta, and today we are going to replace the heater core on this car because, as you may know, these are very common to actually clog, and well, it will not blow hot air on the vents. But the solution is to change the heater core. I tried to flush the lines, but it didn't work, so we're gonna replace the heater core, and we're gonna install the kit also that comes with it, which are the o-rings, so it doesn't leak. Here's the part number if you need it, and the part number for this, it's gonna be right here. I believe this is the part number. I'll leave the link in the description where I got these parts. And well, the first step we gotta do is take this cover off, which is this one right here, and you're gonna need a Torx, I believe it's gonna be a Torx 20, to take out this little bolt holding the plastic cover. And the next step you're gonna have to, and the next socket you're gonna need is gonna be this hexagonal 3mm. These are gonna be for the little clamps right here. Let me just zoom in, see if I can get a good quality video right here. So we have the two lines, one is right there, the other one is up there, and we need to get that bracket loose, so you're gonna need a 10mm to get that bracket loose. But before even starting working here, I would recommend you to unplug the hose for the supply water heater line. Let me just go to the engine bay, and the line that I disconnected is, let me just put this a little bit closer. So that's the line I disconnected for the heater core. I don't know if you can see it, but it's this one right here, the bottom one. Alright, so once you already disconnected the line over there, just let it drain. And the next step will be get something like this, because you're gonna make a mess. It's not avoidable, but you can just catch the most you can with this plastic bag to catch all the water that's gonna come out of the heater core. So let's just start working, and let's see how it's gonna be. All right, so we got the heater core out, and you actually need to take this piece and this one too. It's just held by the 20 Torx screw, and we're gonna replace the o-rings, and also you gotta take this out in order to be able to maneuver, because it's gonna be really tight in there. So you need to take that plastic off, and let's just test the heater core. So this is the new one right here. This is the new one, and this is how it's supposed to sound. So as you can hear, it sounds pretty good. I mean, it doesn't sound clogged, but this one does now. Check it. And it's clogged, so definitely not good. And I can tell it's an original part, so it says right here. So yeah, it's gonna be the whole issue for this Jetta. So now gotta put this bad boy in there, and there's a tricky way to do it. You have to use your two hands and wiggle it, and holding the other hose at the top, you gotta push it up in order to be able to put this all the way in. But the way I'm gonna try using these ones first, because they fit perfectly right here. So let me just put it right here. I would advise you to put it right here first. If it starts leaking, then I will recommend you just to get this, but I'm gonna try it this way first, and I'll see if it leaks or not. Alright, so wish me luck. Alright guys, so this will be pretty much the end of the video. Now we have it all in hot, and well, it's blowing hot air now, and that's really good. Alright guys, so this will be again pretty much the end of the video. I hope you liked the information on this video on how to change the heater core on this 2013 Volkswagen Jetta. And don't forget to comment down below, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and I'll see you on the next episode. Fix out. Bye.